Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to once again partner with FabFitFun for their spring box. You know, you guys know I was so excited when they reached out to me for the winter box, and then once again when they reached out to me for spring, I was like, heck yeah, because you guys saw all of the goods. You got over $200 worth of stuff in one box that comes seasonally to your house, and it's $49.99, but you get $10 off your first box with the code that I'll have here and then link in the description box down below. I am really super excited, and thank you once again to FabFitFun for reaching out to me because I can't wait to see what we got. So here's how pretty the box is, first of all. I do know that I do think that I saw that there are different designs, but I got this beautiful pink box with butterflies on it. And there is like a little community of what do you do with your FabFitFun boxes when they're done. And if you want to know, for right now, I have all of my friend mail correspondence cards in there. It's not quite full, so, you know, I got room for more. But I can't wait. I feel like I want to give this one to Sharon because Sharon loves butterflies and it's her birthday, so who knows? Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. So it's purple on the inside with pink and purple butterflies. I know the details, right? Again, there's the catalog. And coupons to share. And look how pretty, even down to the little sticker. So I tried to make a setup here so that I could balance this and show you what we got at the same time. Obviously you see how well I did that, right? You know what, let me just get, I need that here, but I just need something right here. Can Snoopy do it? Let's see if Snoopy can do it. Snoopy can do it. Okay. Yay. First of all, don't you just love the way it's packaged? It's like you're getting a gift. I mean, it is a gift, but it's like you're getting a gift, and it's like Christmas every season. Okay, so this is Gravity, and it says it is a weighted sleep mask. Oh my gosh, is this good for your sinuses? It says with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. Ooh, I wonder what this is all about. That looks amazing. I do sometimes sleep with a weighted, with a mask on, excuse me, but I've never tried a weighted mask. Gosh, does this feel like it would give me sinus, like, relief? Because sometimes, you know, when your sinuses are like, I don't know if that's what it's for, but that's what I feel like. Sometimes your sinuses are so full that you just want to, you do this, and that's what I feel like it would be great for. I'm going to try it. Thank you, Gravity. Okay. Now we have something called Wish, W-H-I-S-H. It is a blue matcha restoring mask, antioxidant rich skin balancing. Ooh, there is a detoxifying clay mask that I got last time, and it is so amazing. So I hope that this, it's why blue matcha? The uniquely blue ingredient found in matcha has both restoring and purifying properties that will leave your skin radiant after just one use. I'm excited. And then it says wishbeauty.com, and it's Wish with 2 H's, W-H-I-S-H. There's more. Oh, I see watermelons. This is by, I'm gonna say Pure Lease. Watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Ooh, that sounds amazing. All skin types. Oh wow, I haven't had a polish and peel in ages. I feel like we always used to do them when we were teenagers. And I know that I've got some dry skin and I could probably be peeling off right now. It's just so many things. This is, it looks like Tarte, and I don't know if I want to say Tarte. I'm not sure of this. I don't see an accent over the E, but this is by Tarte, and it says sea, S-E-A, like the ocean. Tarte or Tarte Sea, S-E-A, and it says drink H2O, drink of H2O, and it's a, I'm guessing it's lotion. I haven't gotten to see what it was. It just says a drink of H2O. It says it's 12-hour hydration. It's got hyaluronic acid and algae. Ooh. Ooh, it's sealed pretty. I like that. Oh, it smells lovely. I didn't even open it yet. Oh, look, it's like, it's almost like clear. It does, it smells amazing. Can't wait to put this on my face. This girl, just saying, this girl needs some help. Okay. Oh, silicone straws. Oh my gosh, how am I the most excited about silicone straws? So this is my pet project. I have been not accepting a straw every time I go to the store. And I keep a box of paper straws in my car because I don't have any of these. These are reusable silicone straws, and it sounds like there is a pill down there for you to carry them in. That's amazing. I have a feeling that's what that is because silicone straws fold up. Let me see. It looks like Chic and Tonic. That's the name of the company. Yes. Chic and Tonic brings you some silicone straws. I'm so excited about that. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? Something called Fast Food by AG Hair Care. Leave-on conditioner. Revital. Oh, Lord knows I need that. Oh, girl. Sister has some dry hair. This is by AG Care. It's called Fast Food, and it's a leave-in conditioner. And Lord knows I need this. So I'm super excited. Adds moisture. That is amazing. It's like they know. Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. Oh no, Jeri needs a new brush. FabFitFun, you got my number. Wowzers. This is the kind of brush that I use, these detangler wide paddle brushes. I have since I'm a teenager because I have naturally curly hair and that's really the way to go. That is nice. Oh, I love the weight. I love the weight. It's different than, I mean, yeah, I like that. Oh, that's amazing. This is by, it looks like Aria, a company called Aria. And of course it has instructions and it comes in this really cute bag. Oh my. Luxe Chrome. And I believe this is my last thing. It just says Caravan, and it says Design Well Traveled. Could they have possibly given you? It's not possible. Not twice in 1 year. Technically, this is a different year. 100% cotton. It's a rug. Stop. Are you kidding me right now? You have no idea. I just bought 2 new anti-fatigue resistant rugs for in front of the sink and stove. And I forgot to get something for in front of the refrigerator. We have an automatic water, not automatic, but we have a water dispenser in our refrigerator, and I like to keep a rug in front of it to collect any loose moisture, but oh no, this is too nice to be doing that. Oh, it's so boho farmhouse, I love it. But this actually would be perfect. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's well made. It's like heavy duty too. That's like a real rug, sister. Girls, that ain't going anywhere. Love it. So just to go over a couple of things real quick that I mentioned in the last video, but I did not mention yet, is that the one thing that I had not known previously before working with FabFitFun was how they promote women's businesses, which I am ecstatic about. Not only do they bring you new products that you've never seen before that you can test out at home for way less expensive than they would be if you tried them in the store, but the promoting women's businesses is, to me, it just speaks to my heart. I think that, I don't remember the exact percentage from last time, but it's a very, very high percentage of all of the products are founded by women, companies founded by women, excuse me. So that part I really do enjoy, because this is the man's world, but it wouldn't be anything without a woman or a girl. But anyway, I am super excited for this winter box. If you guys are interested in picking up winter box, I have a code down below for FabFitFun for $10 off your first box. You're just gonna use the code Henson, but I put it here so you guys can see it. And then I don't normally ask you to comment, but if you guys are trying out FabFitFun for the first time, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to see who picks what and what you guys chose and what you guys got in your boxes. I'm just so excited because I feel like it's a fun community as well. I'm finding out on Instagram that the FabFitFun girls is just like, and not girls, I did that. They didn't, that's not a hashtag or anything. The FabFitFun femmes. Anyway, it's just a community of like-minded women who enjoy sharing what they got in their FabFitFun seasonal boxes. But the spring box especially, I'm loving. I feel like it's a box of you know how we do spring cleaning on ourselves, the moisturizing masks, the moisturizing hair treatment. I feel like this is something, spring cleaning, get a new rug. I feel like this is something that is definitely that's something that speaks for the season. And with the straws, you know, Earth Day is coming, so definitely when you can switch from your single-use plastic straws, it's a way to start. We have way more things to do than just switching to single-use straws, but every little thing that you can do helps a little bit. And if we each just made one change, we could change the world. So I once again want to thank FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. Thank you all for joining us. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. And again, don't forget to let me know if you've gotten the box. Let me know what you got in yours, because I'm really curious. And as always, you guys take care. God bless. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you, FabFitFun. Bye.